In today's video, we'll discuss how to fix 100% CPU usage in Windows 10. High CPU usage can slow down your system and affect performance, but don't worry, we'll walk you through some solutions to resolve this issue. First, let's diagnose the issue by checking Task Manager. Open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Identify which process is causing the high CPU usage. If you identify a specific process causing high CPU usage, you can try ending it. Right-click on the process and select End Task. Sometimes, excessive startup programs can lead to high CPU usage. Let's disable unnecessary startup programs. Go to Startup tab. Disable unnecessary programs. Outdated or malfunctioning drivers can also cause high CPU usage. Let's update them. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and select Device Manager. Update drivers like display adapters or network adapters. Right-click on the device and select Update Drive. Choose to search automatically for drivers. Adjusting power options can sometimes help in reducing CPU usage. Let's optimize them. Search the control panel. Go to Power Options and choose a power plan balanced for regular usage or driver booster power plan for gaming. After applying these solutions, it's recommended to restart your system for changes to take effect. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.